Hi, my name's Craig and welcome to my YouTube channel, My Home Hob, with easy ingredients, step-by-step instructions, delicious meals that your friends and family will love. This week, it's an authentic Spanish paella. All the ingredients you need to make this delicious Spanish paella are in the video description. First thing first, we're going to slice and dice 2 tomatoes. And here we have 300 grams of paella rice. Then I'm going to add half a red chilli. This is optional. I like a bit of heat. You may not do. If so, just leave it out. Next, we're going to slice some chorizo. This is about 160 grams. It adds a real smoky flavour to the paella. I've already taken out the core and the seeds from this red pepper. Now we just slice and dice. Next, we're going to prepare our garlic. Again, thin slices, 3 garlic cloves. If you like more, add more. If you like less, take some out. And next, we're going to slice and dice 1 white onion. Now some fresh chopped parsley. Some we'll add in at the end of the dish, some we'll add as a garnish. Now we need 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. And now 2 good pinches of saffron. We're going to add this to our stock, and that's going to bring out this classic, authentic yellow colour that you find in paella. This is 4 cups of chicken stock. We're going to add the saffron to this to infuse it into the mix. Measure out 300 grams of frozen peas. Dice approximately 250 grams of chicken breasts. And here I've got 380 grams of a seafood mix. This is available at any supermarket. This includes squid rings, prawns and mussels. So first off, 2 tablespoons of oil into a pan. Then we're going to add the chorizo and the chicken and just gently fry for about 3 minutes. You really want to release that smokiness from the chorizo. Infuse it into the chicken. Paella's got a wonderful rich smokiness in the background and we want to really bring that flavour out. Once the 3 minutes are up, transfer to a bowl for later. Add the onions and cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Now add your diced red pepper. And finally the garlic, and cook for a further 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add the rice and chopped tomatoes. Give it a good mix to make sure the rice is coated in the oil and all the flavours are amalgamated. If you are using a red chilli, add it now. And next we're going to add our smoked paprika. Make sure you stir this well in. And now it's time to add all of our saffron infused chicken stock. Put the whole lot in at this stage. We may need to add some water in later on to loosen it up, but it very much depends on how al dente you want the rice. Mix well to make sure all your flavours are mixed together. And now we're going to bring it to a simmer for 8 to 12 minutes. Stir occasionally and you can see all the wonderful and vibrant colours of the paella coming out. After around 8 minutes, give it a stir. You'll notice that the rice has started to absorb all the stock and it should be becoming very, very rich and thick and creamy. And I'm just going to loosen the rice back off with a little bit of water and cook it for the remaining 2 to 3 minutes. And now it's time to add our cooked chorizo and chicken back to the pan and then just give it a very, very quick stir. And now it's time to add our mixed seafood to the paella and then just give it a very, very quick stir. Add your frozen peas and mix well. And now we're going to cover the paella and cook for 1 to 3 minutes just to cook the peas and reheat the seafood. And now we're on the home straight, just mix in the chopped parsley and we're good to go. And now it's time to serve it up. And we're just going to finish the dish, just garnish it with the rest of the chopped parsley. And here's my authentic Spanish paella, rich in flavour. If you like what I do, remember my name's Craig, the channel's called My Home Hob, where I aim to bring you weekly dishes from around the world. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and there'll be some other links here to my other videos. Thank you again for watching.